What the heck is the difference between a ballasted EPDM roof and a fully adhered EPDM roof? Well, I'm out here on site and we're talking about that today because a lot of commercial building owners and property managers have that question. And after working with our production team, we put together the blog you'll see below, along with some helpful breakdowns between the pros and cons differences between ballasted EPDM and a traditional fully adhered EPDM or rubber roof. So let's talk with ballasted. So ballasted roof is really an EPDM roof with what's called river rock poured over the top, and that is actually what's holding down your roofing system. It's the weight of that actual river rock or rock that's holding down the system. That river rock is both a pro and a con because it makes the install much faster, right? So there's instant savings up front. It is a great UV protector, so it's going to protect your actual membrane and increase its life expectancy. But as you'll see below, there's a number of detractors to it too. Number one, leak detection. When you have an entire field that's filled with rock, it makes it very, very hard to detect and find out where your puncture is or what's causing the failure in your system. Number two, those rocks break down over time, and actually the quality of the rock over the last 20 years is not what it used to be because in some cases it's refurbished or rehabbed or manufactured rock, which can lead to shaling and cracks and breakdowns when your maintenance workers, your HVAC technicians, when folks are up on the roof, and these can lead to punctures. So that's really kind of the pro and con there, whereas with a fully adhered EPDM, the biggest con is it's a much higher upfront cost because there's much more labor involved in the installation of the insulation boards, the actual gluing of the material down. However, balance act to that is the longevity, the leak detection, maintenance is much, much easier on an actual fully adhered EPDM roofing system. So what's right for you? Well, every building is different. And maybe you have a ballasted and you want to explore a fully adhered. There's engineering requirements that go into that. We have to make sure the building can actually handle it. Vice versa, if you have a fully adhered system now or maybe a different membrane and you want to move to ballasted, we have to make sure the structure of your building can actually sustain that weight. So the best thing you can do is get a qualified commercial roofing company out there to do a full assessment of your roofing systems along with the building itself to make a fully informed decision about what's going to be the right system for you. We certainly would love to do that. As you know, you can give us a call at 586-566-0308. You can always use our website at www.kanga-roof.com where you can skip the line and book online. And if you're enjoying this content, hey, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button because we're always coming out with more great information like this. Most importantly, I hope this shed a little bit of light on this complex subject. And above all, hope you have a Kanga-rific day.